Hey guys, Private Relay is a privacy feature included with the iCloud Plus that hides your IP address and encrypts your Safari browsing traffic. It helps prevent websites and network providers from tracking you. And here's how you can activate Private Relay on your Apple devices step by step. So, Private Relay is available only with the iCloud Plus plans. Confirm that you have an active iCloud Plus subscription by going to your Apple ID settings under iCloud. Now open your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings, then tap iCloud. Scroll down and select Private Relay. This section will only appear if you have an eligible iCloud Plus plan. Now tap the switch to enable Private Relay. Once turned on, your Safari browsing and DNS queries will automatically be encrypted. So you can select the either maintain general location or use country or time zone to control how precisely your IP location is masked. So you can easily adjust this based on your privacy preferences. After enabling, Safari will automatically route traffic through Private Relay. You can confirm by visiting your iCloud settings anytime to check its status. So, activating Private Relay on iCloud Plus is a straightforward way to improve your browsing privacy on Apple devices. By following these steps, you can securely browse the web with an extra layer of protection in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.